How to turn on or turn off two-factor authentication on Fandom. Hello guys, in this tutorial you would learn how you can turn on or turn off two-factor authentication on Fandom. Two-factor authentication is a security measure that adds an extra layer of protection to your Fandom account, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in, of course, into your Fandom account, and then once you're signed in, move to the left side of the screen and then scroll down to the last part where you can see your profile icon. Once you see it, just click on view profile straight away. Then after clicking on view profile, you'll be brought to the profiles page, basically the community centrals page. So on this page, you can see your name, you can see the number of edits, the number of posts you've made. Then move to the right side and click on edit profile. So after clicking on edit profile, you can see your profile and all of that. Then the next thing is to check the page and click on your preferences page. Yours might not be on the same position where mine is, so just go ahead to check through your pages. Check through the page to find out where you can see the option preferences. So once you've seen it, click on it, and then under preferences you can see basic information, which includes your username, number of group, and all of that. And then you can see two-factor authentication, which is often located under connect account. So once you can see two-factor authentication, click on manage, and then you'll be brought to the account settings page. So on this page, you can see your email, your username, your password. You can see connected account. Then you can see manage two-factor authentication, enable. Now step 1. Now this is the step. These are the steps required. The first step is to download a two-factor authentication app like Google Authenticator and all of that, and then scan this code, or you can enter the secret key into your Authenticator app. Then after that, register. After you register Phantom in your Authenticator app, input the two-factor code that the Authenticator app would give you. Alright, paste it here, click on confirm, and then once it has been confirmed, the two-factor authentication will be turned on automatically. Then to turn it off, once it's turned on, to turn it off, you would also see the option of how you can turn it off on this page, or the preferences page. But I can't show you vividly now because my two-factor authentication is still turned off. So by the time you turn it on, by the time you visit your preferences page again, you definitely get information on how to do so. So just follow the on-screen instructions and you would know what to do. Thanks for watching and have a good day.